Yeah, hello guys, I feel you are doing good. Keep following this my page since I keep follow this my page. Like I promise you, I started to visit Burundi country. You see the different church, yeah, the religion and the different farmer. Yeah, we are in Burundi. The country is very well ready. The country very well. Yeah, yeah. You see different peso. Yeah, we are in Burundi. Burundi country is beautiful well, really. Yeah. Keep following my guys. Keep follow this my channel, YouTube, Mibe.